Hello guys! In this video, I am going to do a review on this Clinique Pepstart Double Bubble Purifying Mask. So I just took a shower. Let's see the direction. It says apply this mask on clean face and leave it for 2 minutes. So let me do that. So it's the pink gel type of the mask. It doesn't have any fragrance, like you mentioned. That's what Clinique is popular for, I guess. So it seems like it's creating foams as soon as it touches the skin. I feel like I missed the part it's being transformed because I was so into putting this on my face. Okay, so it's let's not miss a spot. But it's like I'm removing it. Am I doing it correctly? Okay. And it feels really ticklish. But it's not too bad. It's kind of satisfying to watch this kind of mask forming bubbles because it kind of reminds me of the scene when it snowed on the ground and nobody stepped on it. Well, I stepped on a few spots, but still. So, okay, I guess it's been about 2 minutes and I'll go wash this off and see how it feels. So, pros and cons. So the pro, I can definitely feel my skin got moisturized. It feels a lot softer and I can feel the moist. And the con is that it was not easy to wipe everything up with just warm water. So it actually took several minutes to wash off everything. So I kind of feel like a thin layer of the mask is still there and I am not really sure if that's a normal thing or if I was supposed to put in more effort to really wash it off. But I think I'm good. And I can feel that you definitely need the moisturizer afterwards. So let me oh god, I have so many breakouts. That's it for this video. So I think I like this mask. It feels really fresh after washing this off. It definitely feels different from the shower. That's normally why I just do it after shower when I try the new product to see if it really feels different from when I just got out from the shower, because you still feel fresh when you just got out from the shower, right? So not to get confused with that obvious feeling, I always take the shower before to see the difference. In this case, it is the product. So, well, Clinique normally does a good job on their product, so I'll be using this throughout the month and we'll see. And thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked my review. Bye bye.